Hi everyone, this is Peter, and I'm very sorry because I'm not a good English speaker. And yesterday night, my daughter just told me, okay, Daddy, you want to use this speech by the English? Okay, everyone will get sleepy. Oh, please, don't do that. Yeah. I think just take 10 minutes, let me introduce my company and our utility, let everyone know. Okay, let's quickly do this. Okay, basically my company is called Kiwi Technology. We are the Taiwanese company, and also we have a branch in Japan. I think that my company's special point that we are provide end-to-end solution. We are not to the hardware only, but we also provide the network solution. I think this is a very special point for my company. And my company just want to working with the customer and we don't want to use the paper, and we just chip the gold like the paperless something. I think this is my company's special point. We want to working with the customer more closely. Okay, let's talk about today. We just want to talk about the smart, the utility like the meters. So let's check the number first. Okay, I think this is an overall picture. If we see the North America is around 30 to 40% market share, and the European is 30 to 40. Asia Pacific is very less. It's only less than 20%. I think for the APEC area is first growing for the global smart meter the penetration rate, like these three areas: China, Japan, and South Korea. Okay, then today we are in Japan, so we talk about Japan. Japan gas industry market is like this. We talk about the two areas, LNG and LPG. If you talk about LNG, I think that only 5% use the smart meter, and LPG is around the 25%. So still is not yet. I think we still have a very huge partner in this the area use the smart meter. I think this is a very good number to showing how we can working for the target. Okay, because we are come from Taiwan, so we talk about Taiwan, the market size. I think this is the scope is same thing. We talk about two areas, LNG and LPG. Especially for the LPG, it's only the 1%. Only the 1% use the smart meter, so they still have the very huge market size we can improve in my country. Okay, then we talk about the challenge of the LNG, the AMI. I think like the city safety and also the human resource the shortage and hard to the measuring and manual recording. This is a challenge for this area. And I think that the next slide is we talk about the same thing. We always face the same problem and for this kind of the LPG AMI. Okay, for the technical challenge of the traditional gas meter, I think I don't want to go through the one by one because it took a very long time, spend a very long time. But later we, for example, like the power consumption, because the customer always use the battery, but they need to the lifespan like 10 years. Some areas 15 years. Oh, it's a challenge. It's a challenge. It's really challenge for us. So I think this is always I talk the first the challenge for the power consumption, and for the second I will talk about networking infrastructure. It's not only talk about the communication is a stable something. Not later. It's talk about integration. When you work with the gas company, I think we talk about cloud to cloud. You need to integration with their cloud, not only your cloud. So I think this is also a challenge for the networking for we doing this kind of the traditional gas metering. Okay, and also we talk about network coverage in the city, and because you need to find a very good place to put your gateway in the best position. Otherwise, you cannot get anything. But the problem is how you can find the best position. You need to spend the money. Okay, this is the point. So I think this is for my personal view, this is the top three for the challenge for this kind of the gas metering. Okay, quickly, the Kiwi solution for the Japan LNG smart metering. I think that this slide is very, very easy. Usually, okay, of course you have a metering. We call the smart gas metering. And you have an MCU, so you need to do something to get the data, so we put the gateway. Okay, then you put the gateway, then you talk about you need to the very, very stable the communication protocol. So we work with the IIJ. I think the IIJ today also in here, they are the communication telecom company. They provide very stable the communication protocol. So we can send the data, go to the cloud, and we also can send it to the operator, and we also do the analysis. And this is what the Kiwi do. Okay, for the Kiwi LPG smart metering, I think this is what we do in Taiwan, because in Taiwan, a lot of people still use this kind of LPGs. And the problem is they always use the code. They will use the code, but they use our technology. I think we can calculate very detailed, and we can let the operator when you should go to the customer to replace your LPG. I think this is one of our technology, the unique, very unique function. Okay, this is the before, after. And okay, you can see we also developed the LoRa MCU. We also prepared the SaaS like the cloud solution. So again, the Kiwi, we provide the end-to-end from the hardware to the software. Yeah. Okay, so I think when you use this wonderful LoRaWAN technology, I think that in the Taiwan case, I think that the single coverage is 100%, and we deliver the distance that reduced like 20%, and we also no need to do the manual reading. I think we save a lot of human resources, and we save this kind of resources, they can do something, some useful thing, okay, and we meet the ESG goal. Okay, I think that this is value for our city safety, DX, operation efficiency, and the balance. So I don't want to go through one-to-one. We just want to explain our value for this kind of 4 area. Okay, quickly the slide, the expression. I hope everyone can understand. If you don't understand, we can go through the more detail. Thank you.